making Rougarou Eyes, and this is the first piece. This is our cabochon, and you'll see that the pupil is already painted on. Mine's a little wet, I just finished painting it. But anyways, we're gonna start with our first step, which is gonna be picking one of our colors. I'm gonna start lighter. You want paint just on one side of the brush, and we're gonna brush the outside really lightly. It doesn't need to be perfectly even. And we're gonna go all the way around. I'm running out of paint, so again, just one side. And just on the outside. So we're gonna go through and pick our next color. There we go. And go a little bit more in. And I don't wash my brush in between the colors because they're all gonna blend anyways. So we can flip it around. This is so far. And our next step is to grab one of our two sticks. The toothpick is gonna draw thinner lines and the dowel will draw thicker ones. And we're going to scratch these together. And I'm not scraping back and forth because then I'm scraping some of the paint off. I'm just scratching. And it's going to create a more realistic effect in the eye. And you'll see that the paint that's had a chance to dry, slightly more of it comes off. So if you want your colors to be super distinct, you're going to give it a second before you start scratching. If you want your colors to mix really well, then you won't. I'm just going to go all the way around. I'm going to get my darker color next. And I'm going to go from the outside of the pupil to the edge, over the parts that I scratched. You can see that you can see a little bit of the layers between the colors. And the cool thing about this project is that you can make it super detailed if you want to, and keep going back between scratching and painting on more colors. Or you can turn it over after just your first 2 or 3 colors and decide that you're done. It all depends on how much detail you want. So there's the beginning of my eye, and I'm gonna scratch it again. And I'm always starting at the outside of the pupil and going towards the edge. There we go. So you can see all those striations in there from the paint. So now I'm going to pick a darker color, one side of the brush. There we go. So it's just getting darker, and I'm going to go through again. Not going to draw quite as many lines this time. There we go. And this time I'm going to grab this glitter paint over here. You'll all have a glitter paint too. I have it in red. it'll either be red or gold. And I'm gonna paint the glitter so that the eye sparkles a little bit. There we go. And I'm gonna keep going until I'm happy with it. And so this is my eye. When you think you're done, you'll put on one more layer and you won't scratch that one. And so you can see I have one just thick layer here of the red. And when I flip it over, I can see the lighter that I started with on the outside and the darker towards the center. And then all throughout between those scratches, I can see the bright, bright red that I finished with. All of this color I can still see throughout. And then because I put on that glitter paint, you just have just a little bit of sparkle on the inside. If you don't like glitter, don't use it. If you like extra glitter, please use more of it. And this is my Rougarou eye.